No, but let's see how that feels. See how that feels?
They get tiny cup.
It can't be too cold.
Is it not? So, but do y'all see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Put.
Well, you already have one in here. No, you don't. Yes, you did.
All right, there we go. That's perfect.
Okay.
Well,
There you go. Everybody get in. All right. Hello, everybody. Happy St. Patty's Day. Happy St. Patty's Day. And welcome to Fa Rekin Licious. Today we are doing a healthier and lighter version, an Irish egg roll filled with corned beef and cabbage, and a little bit of Swiss cheese. So what we're gonna do is I got my beautiful girlfriends here, Katherine, Lizzy, and Michelle, and they're gonna be helping me make these egg rolls. And this is gonna be quite hilarious because we're gonna be messing with rice paper. So instead, usually when you have these, in a restaurant or a bar, it's a very thick breaded coating that's also as well deep fried. And also we're gonna be making a sauce. It's gonna be called so it's a mixture of Russian and Thousand Island dressing. So what I first did is I took the corned beef and I cooked it in an Instapot for an hour and a half. And it just fell right. Oh, Google. Play Irish folk music.
Oh, that's
Epic
right.
fail. Here's a Spotify.
Yeah. All right, so that's going to be a little too limp. So let's do another cheese. We're just going to add a little bit of Swiss cheese for flavor. But this is going to be a lighter and healthier version of these corned beef and cabbage egg rolls. I figured that all four of us would be able to do this, and that ain't going to happen. To wrap, like kind of do this. Is we're going to do these 3 different ways. We are going to deep fry a couple of them. We're also going to bake a few, and we're going to do the other ones in my air fryer. What's going on with this deep fry? Yeah, I practiced this over and over and over in my head, and it came out a lot less crazy. But hey,
Intermission of these Fa Rekin Licious egg rolls.
and now we're back.
so while we're doing our Irish egg rolls in the air fryer as well as the oven, we're going to now make the Irish cray-cray sauce, which is a conglomeration of Russian and Thousand Island. What we're going to start out doing is we're going to be adding like a half a cup of Greek yogurt. Y'all know how I do Greek yogurt with everything instead of mayonnaise. And I have this apparatus here. All right, so what we're doing is we're adding about a half a cup of Greek yogurt, and Katherine is dicing up some onions.
I love this apparatus.
And we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic, and I'm just using the jarred garlic for time because we are trying to get to a party.
Yes.
Say a quarter to a half a cup of ketchup. So then we're also going to add these hot dill pickles. So we're going to chop a few of those up. Yeah. See how it's simple and easy? So then to that we're just going to add all these dill pickles.
Yum.
We're going to add some cracked black pepper and some sea salt. A teaspoon of horseradish. Yes.
You do
So now we're adding a little bit of mustard.
You need
All
mustard.
right, this is not.
Oh, that
It
is.
tastes so good.
You know what? It is what it is, and we're just gonna
What about the other ones?
just
What are
eat
the baked
The
ones?
baked ones.
A little water in it. Just
No, you definitely want to put it.
On the
This is hilarious.
Forgot the Pam on the.
And see, they shouldn't look like this. They should be crisp and brown. I don't know. Even the one that was in here that was fried was not
You
crisp
think it
and
was
brown.
the quality?
We'll make, this is the biggest spoof. No, this will be a big spoof.
No,
No, it's gonna stick to the.
No, stop. Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah. You know what it was missing? The fucking mustard. Just to get it crispy and then take it.
When I go to edit this is going to be fucking hilarious because it's a shit show.
Good.
Oh,
So now we're going to bake.
yeah. So now we're baking
But the baked
others.
ones, we're really
Deep
excited to eat those too.
Deep fried didn't work. Deep fried did not
Yeah,
work.
that
That was this has been a real shit
Not
show.
great.
But yeah.
All right, ready?
Dig in. I'd say cheers, but it'd be kind of difficult with a knife and fork.
Oh gosh, that corned beef just is delicious.
Sorry.
It is so Fa Rekin Licious.
It is. Oh my God.
It's really good.
Wow. Really, really good. Good job.
It's so crispy.
Next time,
The corned beef is fabulous.
It's amazing, girl.
that sauce.
Wow. The sauce makes it.
Yes.
Everything is freaking licious. The sauce,
Yes,
the
it's
corned
so
beef,
great.
the sauerkraut.
Yes.
Just Fa Rekin Licious.
And it has a perfect
The rice
crisp
paper
with a rice
didn't,
paper.
The rice paper didn't work as well as I thought it
But it
would.
has a crisp.
You know?
It's not
Isn't it
fried.
crust?
But hey, we tried and get in there,
Very, very
Catherine. Yeah. Still, hey, it still is very
Good
flavorful.
job.
Still tasty.
All right, now so we're
Oh,
going
I have to
party.
say,
Galloway.
Happy St. Patty's
Happy
Day.
St. Patty's
Happy
Day.
St. Patty's Day.
Woo! Woo!
Thank you, Stephanie.
Thank you, Kat. Thank
Jeff,
you,
please
Michelle.
try this recipe.
Thank you, Lizzy. Thank you all for being here.
We love Fa Rekin Licious.
Thanks everybody for stopping by. Woo! All right.
This is actually really good. I fucking love it.
No, I'm
Corned
serious.
beef.
It really is.
It's amazing.
When I cut off the rim.
What'd you say, Lizzy?
Happy St. Patty's Day.
It's the same fucking rice paper.
Got anything else we can make real fast?
I'm not worried about it. So you know what? This has been a real disaster, but